Hello everyone. Are you ready for another idea using the Hello Irresistible pattern paper DSP, whichever you call it, that's on sale this month? You have a few days left to get it. I'm going to make a card today using the Irresistible Blooms bundle. So I'm using the large image and the die to cut it out from the Irresistible Blooms dies. I am using the Stylish Shapes dies, and this is like the third circle. It's big enough for the flower to go on, and I've already cut it out to just kind of save some time. I am using some brushed brass butterflies. That's a mouthful. I'm using some white twine, baker's twine, my Flirty Flamingo ink. And then for my card, I am using 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4 for my base, and this is Pretty Peacock. I have two pieces of 4 by 5 1/4, one for the inside, one for the outside. I have a piece of soft seafoam that's 2 1/4 by 5 1/4. I have a piece of the Hello Irresistible DSP, and this is the pattern, and it's 2 by 5 1/4. And then I have a scrap of that same paper. It's this one, and I'm going to be stamping and die cutting out of it. So let's get started with the first thing we have to do, and that's to stamp and die cut. So I'm going to take my flower and my Flirty Flamingo ink, and I'm going to ink up my stamp, and I'm going to stamp it at an angle. Wait a minute, let's try that. I don't know what it's going to look like. I want some of the, I want it mixed in, so that works perfect. Now I'm going to cut this out. Excuse me, I'm going to cut this out and I'll be back. All right, I have my image. So now let's put our card together. I'm going to take my soft seafoam and my pattern paper, and I'm going to, first thing I'm going to do is pull off the dried up glue so it'll come out. And I'm going to add my DSP to my panel. All right. And it is even on the sides, but there's a little bit of a border. All right, so I've got that. Now I'm going to add that to one of my 4 by 5 1/4 pieces of white. All right, and I'm gonna put it kind of towards the bottom. All right, like so. Okay. And it's off just a little, so let me do it this way instead. I want my edges even, and that'll help make the card even. There we go. Now that's going to go on my card base. So we'll add that to our card base. Okay. I hope you go over to Vicky's YouTube site. I've linked it below, and check out her card and see which paper she's using this week. I'm looking for my, I'm looking for my, I don't have too many left. That's why I can't find them. I was looking for my dimensionals. I'm not certain what paper she is using because we didn't have the same papers after we had used all the ones we had. So we each decided to use what we had and just to share some different ideas. It is all of our paper that we've used this month is on sale, and you don't want to miss this sale. I think this one is like $9. All right, I'm going to add this here like so. This is going to go on with dimensionals also. And I'm going to have to, I'm down to the bare minimum. My goodness. I guess I'm going to have to pull out another package of them. I think I'll use this one because it's down here at the bottom. And this is paper, so I am going to put another one in the middle just to give it some support. All right. So let me do this. All right. And then this is going to go on like so, so that little pop of color. And now I need to add my butterflies, and I have one left on this, so I'm going to take it. All right. Then I have another one here. And I'll do the middle, the little ones. All right. And a little one that way. They're flitting around. And I think I'm going to put a little one down here and another little one. Let's do it here. All right, so there it is. Now you can add a sentiment in here. I don't normally add sentiments because I never know what I'm going to use mine for. So there's today's idea with DSP that is on sale. And don't forget to do the inside and the envelope to carry your theme all the way through. Now, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe using the link below so you don't miss out on any of my ideas. I would love to have you follow me, and I love sharing my ideas with you. Make sure you check out Vicky's card. I hope you have a fabulous day. Bye.